Thanks for watching WCCO, also streaming on CBS Minnesota. Frank is off this evening. The court did not seat a single juror today in the trial of the former Minneapolis police officer charged with murder in George Floyd's death. We'll have more about that in a moment. Something that did happen today, Derek Chauvin's attorney filed a motion to show video during the trial of Floyd's arrest 1 year before his death. Prosecutors opposed the move. While the judge weighs allowing the evidence, he's also expected to re-question some of the jurors. Esme Murphy is outside the courthouse right now, and she joined us. Hi there, Esme.
Hi there, Amelia. Well, the judge had previously said that this May 2019 evidence and video could not come in, but since then, some surprising evidence has surfaced. That evidence inside the squad car that was involved in the 2020 fatal incident that was searched 9 months after George Floyd's death, they found pills that turned out to be drugs with George Floyd's DNA on them. Judge Peter Cahill expressed shock that Squad 320, the squad where Derek Chauvin and the other 3 accused officers briefly held George Floyd, was not searched a second time until January 2021. And in that second search, drugs that reportedly appeared chewed and had George Floyd's DNA on them were found.
It's just kind of mind-boggling that an extensive search was not done until January 2021.
In the May 2019 tape, you see Floyd struggling with police, and police accuse Floyd of swallowing drugs.
Spit out what you got! Spit out what you got! You're eating pills!
In the video, you can faintly hear Floyd calling out for his mother.
The similarities are incredible. I mean, it's the exact same behavior in 2 incidents, almost exactly 1 year apart.
Also on the video, you can hear a paramedic warn Floyd that his blood pressure was extremely high after swallowing the drugs and he needed to go to a hospital. But prosecutors argued the May 2019 incident is not related.
This is a year before, and I quite frankly just don't know how it fits into an exception to this rule.
The judge says he will evaluate the defense request. There were more prospective jurors who said they had heard about the $27 million civil settlement in the federal case or other pretrial publicity, and they were eliminated as possible jurors, prompting the judge to say this.
8 out of the last 11 have been caused, so we're grinding to a halt.
Now, on that May 2019 arrest, the judge said late this afternoon he would make a ruling on Thursday morning about whether or not that evidence, including that video, would be admitted in this case. In the end, no jurors were chosen. 7 were eliminated, many of them because they had heard about that $27 million settlement between the city of Minneapolis and George Floyd's family. And tomorrow, the 7 jurors that were chosen before that settlement was announced will be called back and re-interviewed via Zoom by the judge to see if they had heard of that settlement.
Okay. Thank you, Esme. Our all-day coverage of the Chauvin trial continues tomorrow morning on CBS Minnesota. You can watch on any device at WCCO.com or through the free CBS News app.